Hello and welcome to Top Man and Places. Today we're in the abandoned warehouse, factory, office building thing with the ProUrbex gang. It's Jordan. Hey!
Yeah. Towels in the toilet.
So we'll see you guys in the video. Right guys, in the abandoned office building, is Jordan.
Yeah, there's
I got attacked by an umbrella.
Very professional. I've seen me shower.
Go in now.
There's someone living in this building.
Oh fucking hell, that stinks.
It's literally
Fucked.
Yeah, it looks like someone living.
Yeah, there's like everything's been ripped out, all the fucking furniture. It's hard to walk through. And somebody took the ladders away from the rooftop.
Oh, look at that, all cable stripped out and stuff in there.
Why being in this room? We need to check bottom. Just in case. Oh, go right, down.
Anime shit.
Oh, I've never been up these stairs.
Aww.
What's up?
Yeah, man.
What's that?
Anime.
What, anime porn?
In America, everyone loves Japanese games. What? Yeah. Oh. Hey!
I know.
Not gonna lie, I am breaking.
Oh, Tyler's still
Another area.
upstairs.
Yeah, we know. It's wrecked.
Oh fuck, look at all this shit on the floor.
Ah!
There's a nice
Watch it.
painting, you know?
There's a painting.
You painting?
Yeah, painting.
God, it's
Yeah. Hey, they're all good cookers, you know.
Yeah.
There's fucking self-cleaning. Plates in there. Where's the golden pineapple?
Oh. Hello?
Ryan, don't fucking start.
Swear down on my life. Did you hear that?
Umbrella, it's fine.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
I did.
Yo.
There are windows open upstairs.
No, free a pigeon. There's all pigeons.
Think security's here.
Homeless people. Oh shit.
Hello?
Hey.
Are you alright?
Hey.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
We're alright in here, aren't we? Are you alright in here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh no, we're not.
Oh no, we're not gonna go in any of
Fuck me, you shit me up. You
Scared the life out of us. I thought it was security.
Yeah, fucking hell, it's not I just like, nah, that's it. I know it is. You alright with us being in here though? Where don't you want us to building? Do you know where do you want us not to go?
Upstairs.
Alright. So bottom floor's alright then?
Yeah man, there's only one.
Nice one.
Middle floor, isn't it?
Nice
No,
one.
top floor. Right. Cheers.
Alright.
Alright, cheers. Thanks boss.
You won't want to come across me that, would you? No, blood everywhere.
My wife's got when you get you pull the fucking knife out.
We'll go this way then?
Yeah.
Right guys. From here then?
Yeah, I fucking saw it. That's the first time I've seen that.
Always sketchy guys. Very sketchy. Oh, the station. Shit, how far does that go down?
Not that far, but going down again.
Is this the way to the stairs thing?
I'm not have a clue. Wait, shit, guys.
What?
The way out from the second floor.
First floor.
Yeah, 'cause we climbed up, didn't we? Remember? What's we getting out of here?
Fucking gone wrong.
Come on, back.
Do you know if you were recording this would have been a
We're trapped inside an abandoned factory. With homeless people.
Can't believe that.
Who were those lads who were with that bloke anyway?
They must have been his kids or something.
What, living here?
I don't know, it was a bit odd that, man.
Yeah.
You too, right?
They come in this way, so there must be a lot.
There must be. Stay that. Is there no way through there? It's all fucked up, there's no roof there.
It says first floor window.
First floor window.